In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments and meetings without the hassle of back and forth emails. Whether you're organizing work meetings, client consultations, or personal events, Calendly can streamline the process for you. Let's dive into the steps to get you set up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Calendly's official website by typing in calendly.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a clean and simple interface designed to make your sign-up process as smooth as possible. Now, you'll need to decide how you want to sign up. Calendly offers you three convenient options. You can sign up using your Google account, a Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can use a traditional email address. If you choose Google or Microsoft, you'll be prompted to log into your respective account and allow Calendly permission to access your basic profile information. This method is quick and ensures that your account is seamlessly integrated with your existing email service. On the other hand, if you choose to sign up with an email, you'll need to provide your email address and create a password. This option is great if you want to keep your Calendly account separate from other services. Once you've selected your preferred sign-up method, Calendly will guide you through a verification process. This usually involves checking your email for a verification message. Be sure to click on the link in the email to verify your account and complete the initial setup. This step is crucial as it confirms the ownership of the email address and ensures your account is secure. After your account is verified, you're ready to start using Calendly. You'll be prompted to set up your first event type, which is essentially a template for the kind of meetings or appointments you'll be scheduling. You can customize details like the duration of the event, available time slots, and any buffer time between appointments. This customization helps tailor your Calendly experience to best suit your specific needs. And there you have it. You're now all set up with Calendly. With your account ready, you can start sharing your availability with others and let Calendly handle the rest. Remember to explore the various settings and features Calendly offers, such as integrating with other calendar services, setting up reminders, and customizing your booking page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get started with Calendly. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy scheduling!